Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps, always listens, and can help you with anything from writing essays to solving complex problems. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's not. Meet Qwen 2.05, the AI assistant designed to make your life easier, smarter, and more productive. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking for answers, Qwen is here to revolutionize the way you think about artificial intelligence. So, are you ready to meet the future? So, what exactly is Qwen? Developed by Alibaba Cloud, Qwen is an advanced AI assistant that understands your questions, generates creative ideas, and even helps you solve real-world problems. It's not just a chatbot, it's a multi-language powerhouse that can write stories, draft emails, create business plans, and much more. Whether you need help with language translation, technical queries, or brainstorming new ideas, Qwen has got you covered. But what makes Qwen truly stand out? First, it's trained on a massive data set, which means it understands context better than most AI assistants out there. Second, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're drafting a report, planning a project, or just curious about something, Qwen adapts to your needs. And third, it's designed to be user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. From students to CEOs, Qwen is the ultimate tool for anyone who wants to get more done in less time. Now let's talk about how you can use Qwen in your daily life. Need help with homework? Qwen can explain complex topics in simple terms. Working on a big project? Qwen can help you organize your thoughts and generate creative solutions. Planning a trip? Qwen can suggest itineraries, translate phrases, and even recommend local restaurants. And the best part? It's available 24/7. So no matter when inspiration strikes, Qwen is there to assist you. The possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Qwen 2.05 isn't just an AI assistant. It's your partner in productivity, creativity, and problem-solving. Whether you're looking to simplify your work, boost your learning, or just explore the power of AI, Qwen is here to help. Try it today and experience the future of artificial intelligence. Because with Qwen, the only limit is your imagination.